Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Here we have this F21 series 2017 plate, and it's currently got an issue with the head unit. As you can see there, it's currently off. It will restart back up, but it basically puts itself into a reboot loop, so it will go on and off, on and off, on and off every about 15 to 20 seconds or so. This is a common issue with these, and it spans across the range, so not just the 1 series, but 2 series, 3 series, 4 series, 5 series, and it's all the ones with the entry nav MBT head unit, so similar ones like this with a smaller screen, as you can see there. And it basically, there's some corruption within the head unit which sits behind here, which causes it to go. But the fix is fairly simple. It's just going to be an update to the system to the latest level, and that should fix it. So you can see there, it's just gone off again, and it will just reboot back on. In very rare cases, it can be an issue with the main unit that sits in here, but we won't know that until we try and flash it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, get it flashed, and see what happens. So when we're doing the flashing, we're using ESIS. We've got all the details already put in, going through the flash process. All I can say is to make sure before you do any flashing, you have a battery support unit, which you can see we have there, connected to the car, and also a charger on the laptop so that doesn't die either. We're using an Ethernet to OBD cable, so that's all plugged in. And as you can see there, it's going through the process now. So that's the bootloader screen, and it's just going through the update now. So it says it's going to take about 50 minutes or so. So we'll let that do. We'll come back to it, and hopefully that will be all fixed. There should be no issues. So update's completed. See on there, successfully finished. Units on, everything's working. Nav, telephone, radio, all working perfectly fine. Job's finished. No issues with that. That's not going off again. So all is fixed with the software update. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.